Oh my gosh, besties, look at this Snow Wipe top coat. Absolutely gorgeous. This collection is giving all the muted rainbow vibes, and I am here for it. Hey besties! So we are going to do a quick unboxing and some swatches of Madame Glam's April collection. This is the Green Gaia collection, and oh my goodness! Look at the colors! And they sent over swatch sticks? What? Madame Glam labeled swatch sticks? Okay, Madame Glam, I see you. Definitely a must-have. Like, I super appreciate the swatch sticks. I've been saying this for a while that they need to include these. But look at these colors, you guys. Oh, when I seen this collection, okay, I know I say it all the time, but they just continue to kill it with their collections. And the fact that this is like the muted rainbow colors is everything. That no wipe top coat, oh my gosh. I love the top coats like that, like the effect gels. Yes. Okay, so the first color is the Core, a very pretty muted red, kind of like a rosy red color. Look at how pretty. Oh, these colors are so unique, so pretty. And as always, keeping with that super creamy formula. Absolutely beautiful. These are perfect for like really any time of year. You can find use for majority of these. So the second color is Sahara Dunes, a very pretty orange. It's almost like a pinkish orange. It's a very unique color. I really like it. It almost kind of like leans nudish too. Super pretty. I love that they have been doing the influencer collabs or the brand ambassador collabs lately too. I think that is so awesome. This is such a pretty color. The next color is Honeycomb, a very pretty pastel yellow. But yeah, they are all these collections within 2024 so far have been collaborations with different brand ambassadors, which I think is super cool that they are doing this. I pray that one day I get the opportunity. The next color is Rainforest, a very pretty green. I like that this one leans a little more on like the sage side. It's not that like super vibrant green, you know? Oh, I love their formula. And the next color is Blue Jay. I really, really like this blue. It's like a periwinkle blue. It is so pretty. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And the next color is the Persian Sea. This one's a really pretty purple. But it's again more like that kind of like periwinkle purple color. So pretty. I love a good purple. The next color is Lotus Fever, a very, very light pink. Super pretty. This would be perfect for like the baby boomer nails. Very pretty pink. It's like the perfect pink. It's not too bright, but not too like dull or light. You know, look at that. And then the final color in this collection is the No Wipe top coat. And this is so freaking pretty. This is Ocean Pearl. I will say though that this is a very, very, very thick. Very thick. You almost need to like float it on, kind of like I am right here. Or do it in multiple thin layers if you want it to be like super thick. Or you can put it on a palette and take a liner brush and kind of pick the little glitter flakes out and meticulously place them. I do really, really enjoy their no wipe top coats. I just wish they were a little easier to spread because they are so thick. Very, very thick. I mean, look at that. It's almost like a hard gel. It again though, this is super pretty. The flakes that are in it, it's got like rainbow and like aura shifting ones and like gold flakes. Oh, so here is the entire collection all swatched out. Look at how pretty that is. I think this is probably one of my favorite no wipe top coats. I love the colors of the flakes in it. So pretty. And then you get that little hint of gold, but then like I said, there's like flakes that kind of do like an aura shift in it. I love this collection. Love, love, love this collection. It has every color you would need. What more could you ask for in a collection? Oh, round of applause for Green Gaia collection, because this is fantastic, you guys. So I will be sure to leave the links for this collection listed down in the description for you guys, along with my discount code. So be sure to take advantage of that if you want to pick these up. And that is it for this one today, you guys. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!